Take a moment to check out the 2019 BMW X3. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the journey while you conquer the road in the X3. Intelligent technology, confident and balanced, this sports activity vehicle was designed for passionate drivers. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Assert your passion for driving in style. Drive the X3.